Finally, OnePlus is launching a budget range device and the price range is below $300. OnePlus is kind of a smartphone brand. They always launch flagship devices once in a year, and this year they did the same. In the month of April, they have launched their OnePlus 8 lineup, which is pretty good device. And the OnePlus always has the reputation of producing flagship killing device. Means the flagship devices have been launched by other brands like Samsung, Huawei, iPhone. These are quite expensive and their price range are start from $1,000. The same feature, speed and performance OnePlus will keep almost in a half price, which is near to $600. Now this time OnePlus is planning to launch a device which is quite budget range that they never did before. So today I'll be talking about Oneplus Z and will provide you necessary true information that are remote to have in this device. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Rokibul Hassan and you are watching Gadget Insider. Just simple request before starting, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe, because through your subscription I will get the inspiration of making next video. Now without wasting time, let's get started. Let's start with its appearance first. This one looks pretty cool. Both front and back side are made out of glass. The triple lens setup at the back side has its own style. Doesn't look too white like other phones. Front side has 6.55-inch Super AMOLED whole punch display with 90Hz refresh rate. The display will be super smooth and super optimized for playing high graphics game. How many SIM slots will be available in this device is not specified yet, but there is a probability of having hybrid SIM slot. There will be one choice in the internal storage options, which is 128GB at 6GB RAM. Talking about the camera, OnePlus always give decent camera, so that you will be able to take crispier shot both daylight and dark condition. Triple lens setup we have got to see here in the main camera section of this device, and these are 64 megapixel wide angle lens, 16 megapixel ultra wide lens and 2 megapixel macro lens. For the selfie camera, it offers 16 megapixel wide angle lens. We can't say much about the camera quality of this device. Once it releases, that time we'll make a camera review to make it more clear. Although you will be able to record 4K through the main camera, compared to other mid-range device, the 4K video recording option will take advantage here. Talking about processor, the Oneplus Z is coming up with Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor, which is 7nm process. As we all know, 7nm process chipset will be smooth and easy enough for playing games. If your internet has the sufficient speed, then you will not gonna face any kinds of lag. A device can never be good without having sufficient battery efficiency. This Oneplus Z is coming up with 4300 mAh, a massive battery. Seems like this phone is made for all types of people. Whether you are a gamer or normal user, this one will be a perfect choice for 2020. So that was all about today. I hope the video was quite informative and you liked it. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to suggest something, suggest in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.